It says the luxury is the ease of a t-shirt in a very expensive dress. Don't you agree? Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. This time I want to show you guys what I got from Mytheresa. I have never shopped on that website before, but I found it's really some couple cool things that I want. And then I really enjoy the packaging, the delivery, the whole process. So I just want to share that experience with you. You just open your app, and then it's just really easy to scroll, and then they have new arrivals and things from different brands and you love. And then the things from their website's really unique. And then there's a lot of cool stuff on this. And they also have a sales going, so you can also looking at your sales sold items and pick and choose which one you like. And then you can heart the ones that which one you really like. The ones that I really like is this one. Yeah, I bought this Saint Laurent mini leather tote bag, so it's really cool, and I'll show you guys in a minute. And then there's a couple of the hard ones. I find this really fun, really awesome as well. This is a hard bag, but I feel like it's a little bit too expensive for this kind of bags, but it's already sold out. And also I bought a scarf as well. Let me show you this little bag for Saint Laurent. Let me show you. First of all, it got really big box. It's their signature yellow box, and have a ribbon. This I already opened it. Just want to check my items. The whole thing. The receipts are under this very cool envelope. You can see this one has a quote from Karl Lagerfeld. It says, "The luxury is the ease of a t-shirt in a very expensive dress." Don't you agree? I don't know. It's maybe true. And then there's the receipt that from the Mytheresa. And I got a couple items. The first one is that bag. This bag, and I'll show you another one. I think I got another scarf. Let's see here. Let's see. And this bag. It's in this dust bag as well. And then this is like a little bag. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. This is a super cute. It's much smaller than actually I imagined. I'm not sure it's gonna fit in all my essentials. But it opened up, it's like this, very structured. Almost like a vanity bag. It has to fit my phone, right? It does fit perfectly. And then, what else it does need to fit? Does need to fit my wallet. Okay, maybe I'll do this way, stand up. I think when they stand up, it's a bit better. Oh, yeah, it doesn't even close. Oh no, it could be really crazy. Maybe I'll shuffle it around. Yeah, like this. It's very snuggy. I could probably fit a lipstick. Because sometimes I bring a lipstick and then also a compact. So I can squeeze here maybe. Very, very snuggy. Yeah, I can't even squeeze in here. Maybe I can make this work. I'm trying to squeeze something in here, but it's really tough. Oh, I could maybe like that. I think it'll fit close. I kind of doubt it because the keychain holder, it's kind of like stick up. Ooh, actually it does fit. Magical. Wow, it does fit. It's kind of heavy too though. This is actually wrapped cotton wrap. I never seen that before, but this is very cool. Let's try the shoulder because I love shoulder strap. Don't worry about this one, I'll take it off. But it does nicely put back here on my hip. What do you guys think? It's very cute, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's very cute, but it's a little bit smaller than I imagined. The leather is extremely soft. Just give you guys another round. It's very soft. Very cute one. But it doesn't fit much, right? No, it doesn't fit much stuffs. Even my essentials are also like fitting here very snuggy. But I love the shape. I love the little like vanity bag shape of it, but it's just a little bit too small for me. But I think the day-to-day use is still good. Okay. The next one I think is a scarf I found. Ooh, it's really cute. Wow, very nice. This one is the scarf I bought. This one. Isn't this really nice? A Gucci scarf. This is made immediately from Gucci. Also, I found it from the Mytheresa. Yeah, it's really doesn't feel like it's 100% cashmere, but it is really nice. Really nice color as well. Love it. What do you think? Did you find a lot of goodies on Mytheresa as well? I think I'll give it more try. I sometimes buy luxury items from Ooh La La a lot, but I think this website, this app is pretty good too. So I'm gonna keep finding good items on Mytheresa and then share with you as well. Okay, that's all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later. See you next time. Bye bye.